Another day, another khaki coloured hoodie. Wait, I don't even know if I vlogged. I don't think I vlogged yesterday when I was wearing my other khaki hoodie, so that probably made no sense. Also, question, why do men's sweatshirts fit so much better than women's? I feel like women's sweatshirts are always like cut too low at the neck, whereas like men's sweatshirts always come up really high. Do you guys know what I mean? Because I always like to wear a t-shirt underneath my sweatshirt, but with women's sweatshirts and hoodies, you can like see the t-shirt underneath, which you don't really want. Anyway, today I thought I would vlog because I mentioned the other day that I was going to do some organisation of my room and my bedside table because it's all like exposed at the moment. I've just got these IKEA cubes, which I think are called Calax. But basically, me and my dad did like a big IKEA order the other day because you have to pay like £30 shipping or something, but we needed quite a lot of stuff, so we did a big order and I've ordered some organisation bits and those are coming today, so I'm gonna try and build them and I'm gonna try and organise my room a bit. I've also got 2 videos to edit, and yeah. Also, I think in my next vlog I'm going to do like a Q&A, so if you have any questions, let me know down below. Okay, right, so I received a few packages today. Look at the size of this one, like it is huge, and in here we have, oh my god, this is a giant piñata from Boots. It says the party starts right here with Boots. So we have the Obsession Lightning Spray, the number 7 matte liquid lip. Oh my god, there's loads of stuff in here. Ooh, thank you very much, Boots. Then another thing that I unboxed this morning is this, which is from Zoeva, and it says, Happy Holidays, love Zoeva and the Wizards. I think because it's from Wizard PR. But this says, wait, let's open it. I want to see what's in it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are miniature eyeshadow brushes, and then there's also the miniature caramel melange eyeshadow palette, which I already have, so I'm probably gonna put this in my box of giveaway stuff. Then I have this box here, which is from the Dow Walker Agency, and it says, Happy Vlogmas, Soph, please find enclosed a little package to help get you through all the filming and editing this month. Oh, that is so nice. Thank you so much, guys. So we have a Charles Worthington Volume and Bounce hairspray. Ooh, I'm not entirely sure what this is. Oh, okay, I think this is like a spot treatment, which is actually really handy because I'm breaking out today. This is the Mane and Tail Hand and Nail Therapy. That is a big thing of hand cream. I feel like that would last me about 10 years. Then we have the Saint Tropez Self Tan Extra Dark Mousse. This one is the Sanctuary Spa Liquid Gold Bath Elixir. Ooh, that looks really fancy. I think this one is a perfume. This is, what are you? Water Killer Dry Shampoo. Oh my god, yes, I always need dry shampoo. That is going to come in super handy. We have one of the Kiko Holiday Collection eyeshadows, which are absolutely gorgeous. These are some bath bombs, I think, which I can't use because I'm allergic, but they look really cute. Really wish I could use bath bombs because I've had so many this year, but I know lots of people that do like them, so they would definitely be made use of. We then have this Talika SOS Party Kit. Oh my god. They have face masks and under eye masks and stuff. Oh, and then the final thing that's in here is this, which is, I think it's for your hair. Shine serum for your hair, which is really cool. I love stuff for my hair, so thank you so much, guys. Apparently today is PR day because I just got this from Bare Minerals, which is so lovely of them. It's a bauble that has my name on it, and this is the first bauble that I've received this year that isn't smashed. Look at it, it's got stars on the inside. So these are the drawers that I'm about to try and build. I'm hoping they're going to be relatively easy. They are the Calax, well, they basically just look like this, so there's 2 drawers in each. So I got 4 of these, and that means there's going to be 8 drawers in my bedside table, which should be pretty handy to have, and hopefully all my nail polish will fit in it. Apologies if you can see any mess around me. We're having a bit of a sort out, if you can already tell. Where do I even start with this? I hope there's instructions. Oh god. They're literally made from like cardboard. I can already tell I'm gonna struggle with this. I don't understand these instructions. There are no words. Okay guys, after half an hour, I have successfully built 1 drawer, and now I've got another 7 to go. Wish me luck. I've just realised, right, if I hang up this piñata and smash it with the stick, then all the makeup's going to fall on the floor and break. So I think I'm going to smash it in the box. Right, we found an opening. I have never seen so much shredded paper. Like, look at this. This is everything that we got. We've got some blister plasters, some gel insoles, some glowy spray. This one is a highlighter, I think. This one is an instant tan. There's a sleek lip gloss. There is the Lancôme Monsieur Big mascara. There's this NYX glitter palette, which I used in a video the other day. One of the L'Oreal eyeliners, and then the No. 7 matte liquid lipstick. Right guys, so I'm back upstairs now. It's actually 2 o'clock and I started building those drawers at like 11. I've built 6 out of 8, but I still need to install the rest of them. But I realised that it was actually getting quite late and I need to start editing tonight's video because I didn't get it up last night. Guys, I'm actually quite proud of myself. I mean, they're not perfect, but they'll do. Also, yesterday I actually went to Aldi and I did film a couple of clips, but I didn't put them in my previous vlog because I felt like they didn't really fit. So I'm just going to insert those clips now. I'm about to actually pop to Aldi because my video that I'm filming today, fingers crossed, is going to be a testing Aldi makeup video because they've got like loads of dupes for like popular brands and stuff. So I'm going to have a look in Aldi, see what they've got, and then hopefully that will be my video up for tonight. But if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna have to think of something else really quickly. Okay, so I'm back from Aldi. They didn't actually have like what I was looking for. They only had 2 things that I was looking out for. Basically online I'd seen that they had dupes for the Hoola bronzer, the Benefit, I think it was Benefit Their Real mascara. They had a Charlotte Tilbury dupe, but the only makeup item that they had in there, which was one of the dupes, was the NARS Orgasm blush dupe, and this is their Lacura blush, which obviously the logo of this looks really similar to the NARS one, in the shade Gold Blush. I want to open this and see what it looks like on the inside. I really hope it's not smashed. So obviously like the NARS one is like £30 or something, 20-30 pounds, and this one was £5.99, which is still a little bit like, I was kind of like, oh okay Aldi, that's a little bit pricey for Aldi's prices. But I mean, come on, like look at the packaging of this. That looks exactly like the NARS packaging, just the whole thing. That looks like NARS, like what the heck. And then also as well, I got a dupe of the Glam Glow Mud Mask, and again, like the writing is really similar and everything. I do have one of the Glam Glow masks, but it's not the same as this one, so I think what I'm going to do is order the Glam Glow mask, which is the dupe of this, well, which this is the dupe of, and then do a video where I do like half and half and see how they both work. But obviously today is the next day, and I swear to God, it's been delivery day today. We have had so many packages. Maybe like 10 packages today. A couple of bits were things that I'd ordered. We had the IKEA delivery. I had a present from my management, and then just so many other like Christmas PR packages, which is crazy. Like the doorbell has been going non-stop. Well, I was thinking I wasn't going to put any more like stuff in this video because I don't know how boring it is for you guys, but I've just opened this from my management. It's a diptyque candle, which I've never had before. And it's from my management. They gave me this card as well, and my manager Hannah, and I just want to say a massive thank you, Hannah, if you're watching this. You are the best. This is such a lovely present. I'm gonna start burning it now because I want to see what it smells like. But I just wanted to show you, I bought a couple of pairs of boots because I thought I would treat myself. When I say treat myself, they were very inexpensive. They're not like designer or anything. I got one pair of ASOS, and then I got another pair from Koi Footwear, which I've seen loads of people do sponsorships with. This isn't sponsored. I paid for these with my own money. But I'm so annoyed because I am a size 4.5, and a lot of the time in, well, depending on the brand, I'll either get a 4 or a 5, but quite a lot of people said that Koi boots come up big, so I went for a size 4, which is like the smaller size, and they're too small, so I should have just ordered both, but I decided that I was going to order one. I paid £5 for next day delivery. They did have a discount on, which was like 24% off everything for 24 hours, so I think these were £40, and then I got the discount, but I did pay £4.99 for next day delivery, and I'm gonna have to send them back. And I don't know why I didn't just order the size 5 as well, because I just went on today and ordered the size 5, but I got 30% off the pair that I just ordered. They're exactly the same but just in a bigger size. I am obsessed with these. Like, aren't they so nice? They look so similar to the Gucci ones, and they come with black laces as well. Oh yeah, and when I reordered the size 5, I used Sid and L's discount code from their sponsored video, which is just SIDL30, I think, and I got 30% off. off, which is pretty great. And then the second pair that I got, these ones I think are definitely going back. They're extremely similar. I got both pairs to compare like which ones I preferred. These ones are from ASOS and I think these were £38. These ones are a bit more chunky, so they're a bit higher and they've got more of a platform, but they've got the silver kind of detailing instead of the gold. But I think I prefer these ones because they look more like expensive. I don't know, like the fake leather on these looks more smooth, whereas these ones look a bit more plasticky. They're still really nice boots and like I would still wear them, but I think I just prefer these ones a bit more. So I've ordered a size 5 in these, and yeah, I ordered a size 5 in these, and these ones fit pretty well. So also as well, a couple of Christmas presents arrived today for people. I finally am starting to get organised, and I've got most of my Christmas presents, but I've still got a couple left to get for my parents, and I've now just got to edit this video to get it out for tonight. So I'm going to do that now. Also, oh my god, you guys, I ordered this from ASOS as part of my order because with the Aldi stuff, obviously I got the Glam Glow dupe mask, so I thought I'd get the original. I got what I thought was like, well, it is a travel size, but this cost me £16 and it's tiny. Like, what is this? Okay, so it's a couple of hours later and I have finished editing my video. It's just gone live. It is 6:30. It went live about 20 minutes ago and I still need to finish building my drawers. So I'm just gonna finish those off and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like. Right, so I'm on to the final drawer. I think I've done an alright job of them so far. This one's a bit wonky, but I can't really do anything about that now that I've screwed it all in. But basically what I have to do is like take these bits. Well, I mean, obviously first you have to put all the drawers together, like build them, all the different pieces. I have realised though, oh yeah, I lost a nail in the process. I have realised that I've accidentally, in all of them, put this bottom piece upside down. So instead of the bottom of it being white, it is brown. But I mean, it's only the inside of the drawer, so I guess it doesn't really matter too much, but it's a bit annoying. But it's too late to change it. So I've got to screw these final two into here and then slot the drawers in. But oh my god, it's been such a long process. I'm knackered, I'm not gonna lie. Last drawer is done. Okay, don't judge my appearance. I just woke up about half an hour ago. But it is the next day, but I wanted to show you quickly the finished thing of my drawers. I know it's not super interesting, but I got rid of so many nail polishes last night because I organised everything into the drawers. And I basically just decided that I don't need multiple of the same colours from different brands. I mean, to be fair, you'll see. I did actually keep quite a few, but I basically just decided to mostly just keep Nails Inc, Sally Hansen and OPI, and then a few others as well, because those are just my favourite brands and the ones that I find last the best on my nails. And then all the others that I have used but are still like in good condition, I'm going to offer to like friends and family and stuff. And then I might like donate them to, I don't think I can donate them to charity if they've been used. I don't know, but this is the finished result. Okay, so I've still got mess like around them because I'm still sorting things out, and not all the drawers are full yet, but in drawer number 1 I have got all of these are all of like my base coats, top coats, and then I've got like black and white in here because I use black and white quite a lot in like nail art designs and just in general, like, you know, like for these nails I did white snowflakes and stuff. So yeah, I've got all like my base coats and stuff. My favourite base coat is probably this Sally Hansen one, and then the best top coat I've actually run out of is the Séché Vite Quick Dry top coat, but one that is almost just as good is, wait, where is it? Oh, this one down here, which is the Sally Hansen Insta Dry. I actually can't do my nails if I don't have a quick dry top coat because I smudge them so easily. So this one's also really good. And then this is my favourite part of my collection, my glitters. I've got so many Nails Inc glitters. They are the best. I absolutely love them. Like, there's so many pretty ones. Like, look at this. This one is called On the Naughty List. How gorgeous. I think that's from last Christmas, or maybe even this Christmas. But yeah, they've just got so many nice glitter polishes, and I normally always do like an accent nail, like you see this one here, where I put glitter on it. So glitter nail polish is like a big part of my collection. I've also got some Sally Hansen ones in here, some Lottie ones from a while back, Maybelline, Urban Outfitters. This is that one from Glossybox the other day. So that is glitters and top coats and base coats. This one is pinks and nudes. So as you can see, like they're not very well organised, but there's just a lot of like Nails Inc, Sally Hansen ones, OPI. Just because I figured out that these are like my favourite formulas, but there's really not that many in here, like considering how it was before. And then I've also got a few like Ciate pink glitters in here, so that's that drawer. We've then got reds, burgundies and purples, and okay, I know that these few are kind of really similar, but I really like red nail polish, so like the majority of these are like Sally Hansen and Nails Inc again. I've got a couple of cheaper ones, like this one is by Rimmel, this one is Collection. There's a Primark one back here, but I've realised, right, I am severely lacking in orange nail polishes. I literally have, okay, this one kind of counts as orange. This one's more red. I've got one from Primark, which is about 2 years old, and then this one, which is by Miss Sporty. Oh, and then I have this new red glitter from Nails Inc, which I absolutely love. This one is called Get the Party Started. Oh yeah, also in my nudes one at the very back, I've got 2 grey ones. That's really old. And then I've got a newer Nails Inc one, which is grey. Those are the only 2 grey nail polishes that I have. And then the final drawer is the one with the least in it. This is like blues, greens and yellows. As you can see, I don't really have too many greens. Like, considering khaki green is my favourite colour to wear, I don't really have many for my nails. This is a Sally Hansen one, and then I've got another Miss Sporty one down here. And then the only reason I really keep green nail polishes is because I use them for details on things like Christmas trees if I'm going to be doing like interesting nails. My favourite blue colours in here are probably this one by Kiko, which is like a bright blue, and it doesn't have a name, it just says 385. Also recently I got this one by Nails Inc, which is gorgeous. This is called London Lane, I think, and it's like a chunky blue glitter. And then yeah, I've got a couple of yellows at the back, but that is pretty much it. Like, look how empty this drawer is. And then these are all of the ones that I don't want. There is a big box like full of nail polishes, so yeah, these will be going to friends and family. Okay, right, I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.